Hello, and welcome back to Zane's, Toots, and Strats. Today, I'll be covering the Coalition Noiseboard, which can be found by going to your browser's address bar and typing in coalition-noiseboard.fun. What is Coalition Noiseboard? Coalition Noiseboard is a soundboard application that I developed for use with the Coalition Radio Hour. When you first visit Coalition Noiseboard, you'll see a long page of preloaded sounds. If you see one that sounds interesting, you'd like to try it out, go ahead and press the play button. Oh, that really is a grumpy dog. Maybe you've got something particular in mind. You can come up here to the filter noises input. Let's type crash. This one right here. Whistle, honk, bonk, slip, crash. That sounds fun. Today, I'd like to build a fart board. Let's go ahead and search fart. And wow, look at all these fart sounds. Oh, that's pretty deep. Ooh, that one's too small for me. To get started building our board, we can come over here to the boards area, press plus, and we'll give our board a name. I'm going to call this one Butts. Press the enter key, and you'll see it pop up right here. To start adding sounds to my board, I can press this plus key on any sound. That one's good. To make sure that we're adding to the Butts board, we'll go to the Pick a Board dropdown and select Butts. Now, I can add my sound by pressing any of these keys on the board. We'll just put it on 1. Look, it pops in right there. What's a board with just one sound? Let's go ahead and add a few farts. We'll add fart 5 on key number 3. And let's try this. Ooh, that's deep. Let's add fart 8 right here on 5. I'm going to go ahead and add a few more sounds. I like that one called whistle, honk, bonk, slip, crash. That's a good one. I've got an idea. Ticking. We'll add ticking right here on R. Now, if we go to our Butts board, look, all of our sounds are right here for us. If I press the 1 key, I'm sorry, this is just too much fun. So as you can see, it may be fun enough to just press our keys all day. But maybe we can try and change our sounds a little bit. If I click on Fart 2, I get this little edit window down here. First, let's try and edit our sound's name. That one sounds like a quick, dry fart. Oh, don't need to call it a fart. We already know. This is our Butts board. Oh, look. I can even change the color of my fart. I think a quick, dry fart should probably be yellow. That does seem a little bit loud. That's probably better. Looks like I can even adjust the playback speed of my sounds. Let's see what happens. Ooh, that's messy. I'm going to go ahead and save this. And now if I refresh the page, oh, I think now this needs to be called Slow Messy. I'll save that again. And look, each time it just comes back exactly as I left it. That's useful. Let's explore some of these checkboxes down here. Say I click loop, and I press 1. My slow, messy fart will play forever. Let's uncheck that. To understand solo, let's switch to the whistle honk bonk slip crash. Now if I press this button twice, you can see that the sound will play over top of itself. If I check solo, the sound will restart each time I press the key. That's useful. To understand global stop, let's switch to the ticking sound. Now if I select global stop, this will make sure that the ticking sound stops whenever any other sound plays. Let's press R. And now if I press any other key, the ticking will stop. Oh, look at that! We've made ourselves a ticking fart bomb. I could do that with any fart. Ooh, that's a dangerous one. How do I stop a sound from playing? Let's say I click the R, and now I've decided I don't need to hear the ticking sound. If I hold Shift and press R again, the sound stops. Oh, I just noticed that we misspelled butts. Let's go ahead and press the Edit key. Remove one of those T's, press Enter, and I've renamed my board. Maybe there'll come a time when I decide I don't need the butts board anymore. I can come here, press this little trash can, and it'll ask me, delete butts? Are you sure as fuck? Well, for now, don't do it. But if I ever needed to, just click yes. Well, I think that's actually all that I've got to show you today with Coalition Noiseboard. Thanks for checking in. I'll see you next time.